Hi all, welcome to my YouTube channel My Food is by Josna. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell button for future updates. Thank you. Today I am going to make Rice Ada kheer or Palada Payasam. It is a common sweet delicacy prepared in almost all Kerala households during festival of Onam and many other occasions. We can make this rice ada kheer in pressure cooker without wasting more time. This recipe only uses the basic ingredients like rice ada, milk, sugar and ghee. Then let's move on to its making part. First, we want to follow these ingredients for making the kheer. The main ingredient of this recipe is rice ada. Here I am using ready-made rice ada that you can get in any grocery shop. I will provide some links of the rice ada brands that you can check it if you have any doubt. Make sure to buy the small kind of ready-made rice ada that is good for this recipe. The other ingredients are 2 to 3 cups of boiled water, 1 to 1.5 liter of milk, 1 to 1.5 cup of sugar, 1 tablespoon of ghee, 1 teaspoon of cardamom powder, cashew nuts 20 number, raisins 20 number and a pinch of salt. You can regulate the amount of ingredients according to your need and taste. By this amount we can serve the kheer for around 10 people. Before making the kheer we want to cook the rice ada first. For this we can take 1 cup of rice ada and soak it in 3 cups of boiled water for 10 to 15 minutes. After the required amount of time, we can drain the water from the ada and rinse 2 to 3 times in cold water. Again drain the water from the ada and keep it aside. Now we can start to make the kheer. For this we can add 1 liter of full cream milk in a cooker and bring it to boil in a medium flame. When the milk starts to boil, we can add 1.5 cup of sugar and stir it well till the sugar gets dissolved completely. After it, we can add the cooked ada and mix it well. Now we can place the cooker lid without adding the weight and cook it over in a low to medium flame. When the steam starts to coming out, we can place the weight and cook it for 20 to 25 minutes in a low flame and turn off the gas. When the pressure comes down, we can open the cooker and check the payasam. If it is watery, you can cook it over for 10 more minutes without the lid in low flame. We can add 1 teaspoon of cardamom powder and a pinch of salt and mix well. By this time you can check the sugar and add if needed. For an extra flavor and taste, we can heat 1 tablespoon of ghee and fry some cashews and raisins. and roast them well, and we can add this into the payasam and mix everything well. Our easy and tasty rice ada kheer is ready to serve. You can make this kheer in pressure cooker without wasting more time. I hope you all like this recipe. Please do it a try and let me know the comments. If you like it, don't forget to subscribe and share my channel. You can check my description box for more details of this recipe. Happy cooking to all. Enjoy. Bye.